Jo, thank you, Jo. 255 pa rin siya. I'm giving in to my see your tooth. Never find anybody to love or to finally get. Halagising pa din siya. Sina AC Box. Anong AC Box? Grabe, 285 pa rin. Wala akong ka-effort ngayon, ah. Hi, Cedric. Good evening. 200. If you don't look too closely, you can't even tell I'm Zep, hello. 209. Naluloko ako. Ano handa mo sa Pasko? Wala akong handa po sa Pasko. 300. Shoutout, guys. Arigato. Thank you. Alluring. Pag naka-ano, diba? Arigato. Ganda naman namang. I'm giving in to my... Sa wakas, nakita ko. 313, shoutout ka. I never find anybody to love. Kung bawa. Thank you. Cause I can't live in heaven and it's not in you. Arigato. Hi! New tattoo? Hindi, no. Old na to. Matagal ng tattoo ko yan. Jeffrey, bye-bye, Jeffrey. Tell me what's view. I like her tattoo, so beautiful. Ja, ay wow. Ja, hindi ako maka-end. Ang dami pa rin nagpo-follow at saka ang dami. Kaya nga consistent B. Hi, Goyson. Shout out. On my way, but I ain't. Kamusta? Ayaw mo ba? Gusto naman. Paano ko mag-end? I'm gonna hold back. Arigato for the 600 na ang bago nating followers. JM! Pinabit to Philippine Mother. Ang sakit na ng puson ko. Piling ko pero ang aga ko naman. December 1 ako nung nakaraan nag-start eh. 22 pa lang. Hirap iwan yan to 56 to 60. Hanggang makatuloy kayo. Hi, Ronnie mo. Mahal. Thank you, Dave. Hi, Josh. Thank you, Jan. Blooming ka today. Blooming, haggard ko. Alam ko yung ba't ako inuubo yung ano. Pakonti na siya, wala na. Hindi ko na inanos. Tip ko nga yung flow ko. Ba't na no? May mga pasa-pasa na ako. Tignan nyo kayong dalawa. Pag hindi ako nag-live, you look amazing today. Thank you, Josh. Nahanap nyo ako pag nagla-live ako, ayaw nyo na ako mag-live.
I fell in love, now I feel nothing at all.
And never felt so low when I was vulnerable.
Was I?
Cringe. Charot. Merry Christmas. No one to stick around. One strike and out, baby. Don't care if
But you never let me down. No.
And ako ng 12. Napapagod na ako.
Still laying in your shirt saying,
Patrick. Pero ang dami na nagpa-follow. Hi, Harry. Favorite ko to. Nasrim. Wala na, last na yon. Dadalawa na nga lang yun. Nagawa niyo pa ako ng pagkain. Ito na nga lang pagkain.
I'ma get to know you better. Kinda hoping
Shoutout sa 200. Bumaba na kayo para mag-end ako.
if you told me that the world's ending, ain't no other way that I can explain it.
Hindi na mamula yan. Ito, gagi na ano ko dun sa ano. Nung nakaraan dito, namulat talaga siya. Parang may white-white. Tapos dito. Buti nga ngayon kumalma na siya, oh. Wala na. Naano siya. Tapos yung hair ko.
Can't fight this no more. It's just you and me. And there's nothing that I can do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. So go ahead and drive me insane. Baby, run your mouth. The sky wouldn't treat me.
Victor!
Stuck with you, stuck with you,
Hindi.
stuck with you.
Wala nga akong aircon.
Stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you.
Hi, Rick!
Baby, come take all my time.
Fake Nino, hello. Shoutout, guys.
We got all that we need here tonight.
Follow me, follow. Ayan. Follow. Just follow my account. Wala po. Puro na ka ng whiteheads. Hello everyone! Mag-i-sleep na ako by 12 a.m. In Japan time. Not Philippine time.
We don't talk anymore.
So follow nyo na ako guys sa 221-22 shoutout.
Like we used to.
12 a.m. yes. 11:55 na dito guys. Ang sakit na ng likod ko.
We don't talk anymore.
Asip ka na guys, ang mukhang may gala ka.
Just searching for you've been looking. You've been looking for. I wish I would have known that was me. 'Cause even after
Malamig
all
po.
this time, I still wonder why
Hello, where are you from? Philippines. Hi, JM.
the way you did so
Good night.
easily. Someone kind of dress you wearing tonight.
Guys, follow nyo na ako. Follow nyo na ako before ako mag-end. 642. Nasa Japan ka pa. Yes.
Should've known your love was a game. Now I can't get you out.
Oh my God, 71.6 tayo. Magsi 72. XB, welcome. JP Palayo, ate.
We just do.
Hindi. Ano?
We don't talk anymore. We just
Nawala yung kate nung nilayo ko na yung ano.
feel like someone knows how.
Aki.
Must be a good reason.
Hi po, musta din sabi ng kapatid ko na si Stephen. Hello, I'm okay.
But you know,
You?
but I'm just so afraid that I'll be wrong. Someone
Okay naman po ako.
looking into your eyes, just holding on to you so tight. Way I
Ayan guys, follow nyo everyone. 192 viewers. Please do follow me. Click the profile. Click my profile and then if you have any coins, do heart me guys. Heart me. 11 na sa Pinas, 10 pa lang nun sa Pan. To 12 na po. Late po ang Pinas ng 1 hour. XB, thank you for tapping.
Can I trust you vibing tonight? If you're giving it to me just right, the way I did before.
So, sanang maligo eh.
Should've known your
Bukas
love
na
was
lang.
a game. Now I can't get you out of my brain. Oh, it's such a shame that
Kamukha mo yung crush ko. Sino?
we don't talk anymore.
Ayan guys, please do follow me nyo na lang po ako. Follow nyo na lang. Follow. Ang bilis. 71.6 kanina, kaka 71 lang natin.
We used to do. We don't touch your love. Just you words
Ayan, ganyan na lang tayo.
Oh, it's such a shame. We don't talk anymore.
Yeah.
Aha.
Good girl going bad.
Aha.
Take 3. Action.
Ayan, follow nyo ako guys. Follow. 200. Di siya bumababa. No?
Man, coming down like a down. No, man.
Anticipation.
Texas stack chip for the rain.
Kailan pala yung Squid Game 2?
Rain man is back.
Visit. Ang pinanood ko, may nakapanood ako, alam mo bakit? Antay ako. Yung La Palma, sino nakapanood ng La Palma sa Netflix? In the dark, you can be. Kailan Squid Game 2? Roberta, ayan guys, everyone, follow my account. Said I'll always be a friend, talking out some, stick it out till the end. Second I'm under my umbrella. 12 na everyone, magpapahinga na tayo, di ko na kaya ng likod ko, te. Team Luvia, thank you so much today. Guys, sa mga hindi pa follow nyo na ako guys before tayo mag-end. Parang pagod din po ako. Sukat-sukat na po ng likod ko sa mapapakaramdam ko. Ligti na lang.
You're part of my entity.
Wala na. Good night! Team Lubesi ng mga nandito. Maris, Ja, X-Boys. Pahinga ka na, be. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good night, everyone. Team Luby, I sleep na. Hilamos muna, syempre. Hilamos muna para mawalis-alis yung mga dirt sa katawan. Ay, sa mukha. Good night, user. Hello, Landmanson. Ayan, follow nyo ako, guys. Everyone, follow me. Ayan. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good night. Good night, X-Boys.